7 foods that can destroy our liver. Our bodies are incredible machines, and the liver is one of its most hardworking and underappreciated parts. It acts like a silent hero, performing over 500 vital functions, from filtering toxins in our blood to breaking down nutrients for energy. But just like any other hardworking machine, if we don't treat it right, it can start to struggle. Certain foods and drinks, when consumed in excess or as part of an unhealthy lifestyle, can put a strain on your liver and contribute to problems down the line. Think of it like this: your liver is like a water filter. If you keep pouring dirty water in, eventually it gets clogged and can't clean the water as effectively. While no single food will definitely damage your liver, it's important to be mindful of what you're putting into your body. Just like maintaining a healthy car requires regular maintenance and using the right fuel, keeping your liver happy involves making smart choices about what you eat and drink. In this video, we'll explore 7 common foods and drinks that can put stress on your liver when consumed excessively. Remember, this information is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. 1. Excessive alcohol. When you drink alcohol, your liver gets to work breaking it down. But if you drink too much, it's like trying to pour too much dirty water through a small filter. The liver gets overwhelmed and can't keep up. This can lead to several problems. First, excessive alcohol can cause fat to build up in the liver, similar to grease clogging a drain. This is called alcoholic fatty liver disease and is often reversible if you stop drinking. If you continue drinking heavily, the constant stress can inflame your liver, causing symptoms like fatigue and nausea. This stage, called alcoholic hepatitis, can still be reversed if you stop drinking. However, continued heavy drinking leads to the most serious stage, cirrhosis. This is like putting too many patches on a leaky pipe. Scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue, hindering its ability to function. Cirrhosis is usually irreversible and can lead to life-threatening liver failure. 2. Added sugars. Your amazing liver also plays a role in managing sugar, but too much isn't a good thing. While the body uses some sugar for energy, excess gets converted into fat. The liver is one of the places where this fat gets stored. Over time, this excess sugar can lead to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Think of it like overloading your pantry with groceries. There's no space left for the important stuff. NAFLD, like the early stages of alcohol-related liver damage, can often be reversed by limiting added sugars and adopting healthier habits. However, if left unchecked, NAFLD can progress to more serious conditions like inflammation and even scarring, cirrhosis, similar to the later stages of alcohol damage. 3. Fried foods. While fried foods might taste delicious, they can pose a threat to your liver health. Just like with added sugar, fried foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats, especially saturated and trans fats. These fats get processed by the liver, and an excessive intake can lead to a buildup of fat within the liver cells. This fat buildup puts extra stress on your liver, making it harder for it to perform its vital functions like filtering toxins and producing essential proteins. Over time, this constant struggle can lead to inflammation and damage. Similar to the process with excessive sugar, this ongoing stress and inflammation can progress to more serious conditions. If left unchecked, it can contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, potentially leading to scarring, cirrhosis, in the later stages. 4. Red meat. Red meat, while a good source of protein and iron, can potentially harm your liver in a couple of ways. Red meat is high in heme iron, a type readily absorbed by the body. Normally, the liver regulates iron storage. However, with excessive red meat consumption, iron levels can become too high. This iron overload can damage liver cells over time. When red meat is cooked at high temperatures, especially grilling or frying, it can form certain compounds like heterocyclic amines, HCAs. These HCAs have been linked to an increased risk of various cancers, including liver cancer. While the evidence is still developing, it suggests moderation is key. 5. Fatty fish. Some larger types of fatty fish, like shark, swordfish, and king mackerel, can be high in mercury. Mercury is a naturally occurring element that can accumulate in the environment and find its way into the food chain, particularly in large, predatory fish. When consumed in high amounts, mercury can build up in the body and harm the liver and nervous system, especially in developing fetuses and young children. 6. Excess salt. Your liver is a master at keeping your body balanced, but too much salt can disrupt its delicate harmony. Imagine your liver as a sponge, maintaining a perfect balance of fluids and electrolytes, including sodium, salt. When you consume excessive salt, it's like overloading the sponge with water. It becomes overwhelmed and struggles to keep up. This excess sodium can lead to fluid buildup around your liver, putting stress on its hard-working cells. Over time, this stress can trigger inflammation and scarring, similar to how a constantly overworked muscle might get sore and stiff. In severe cases, this can lead to conditions like cirrhosis, where scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue, hindering its ability to function properly. The good news is, your liver is quite resilient. By moderating your salt intake and opting for healthier alternatives like herbs and spices, you can help your liver maintain its optimal function and keep your taste buds happy. 7. Grapefruit. Contrary to popular belief, most fruits, including grapefruit, do not directly damage your liver. In fact, they are generally considered beneficial for liver health due to their high vitamin and mineral content, which support various liver functions, like vitamin C, which helps with detoxification. Then the antioxidants in them help protect your liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. However, there's one caveat: grapefruit can interact with certain medications. This is because grapefruit contains a compound called furanocoumarin, which can inhibit an enzyme in the gut responsible for breaking down some medications. This can lead to higher levels of medication in the bloodstream, potentially increasing the risk of side effects. By making informed choices about your diet, limiting harmful substances, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can support your liver's health and keep it functioning optimally for years to come. Do you agree with the information I've shared? Feel free to leave a comment below and share your feedback. I've dedicated a lot of time to gather this information and conduct comprehensive research to create content that's helpful for you. If you found the video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.